all Acuras. Acuras all over. Very nice. More Acuras. There you go. Awesome. Beamers and Acuras and Honda. So guys, here we see Acura's car show with Bimmer. There you go, you see all the Acura and Bimmer over here. It's right here in East Brunswick. These car looks awesome. Oh my god, I guess the first car show of spring 2023. So a bunch of guys talking about cars, discussing about cars, Acuras, Bimmers, sports cars. This is amazing. I can just zoom in and watch these videos, watch these cars. This is amazing. They look so amazing right now. Wow. So you see golden, blue, green Acuras right here. And red with Bimmers. See that again? This is the battle zone position. So Acuras and Bimmers. And these three are lined up just for photo shots. See that? This guy taking a photo picture. Very nice. I guess they are putting on Insta stories. This is amazing, amazing. They look so beautiful right now. Bimmer, Acura, Honda car show. And you will go see traffic jam too, right here on Route 18 North. They are just messing up with my view, but here you see the cars again. The bunch of guys talking and discussing about Bimmers. They look so nice. The Acuras in the golden color. See this? This is really awesome. This is awesome. Yup. And this is much better. Wow, you can see the rims here. That's amazing. Very nice. Right here in East Brunswick, Bimmer, Honda, Acura car show. Now all the golden ones are together, the golden Acuras. And it's time for taking a picture of all the golden Acuras. This is amazing. You see more cars right behind the golden Acura. These are also Acuras over here. Very nice.